Verucas. Related to Jackpot, Dolin, Terrific and Webster. Under Harry Smulders, sire Uricas van de Kattevennen competed in the individual final of the Olympic Games and already won the Grand Prix of Riesenbeck and St. Gallen. Uricas has made a promising start in breeding as well and is here united with a special dam line. Verucas was bred out of a half-sister to the 1.55 m Grand Prix horse Jackpot of Rerko Schröder. Grand Dam Azolin Fold 4 internationally performing offspring already and is a half-sister of the international 160 level show jumpers Dolin of Harry Smulders, Terrific of John Anderson and Webster of Beat Mandley herself.